Well, good morning, everyone. Welcome to Celebration Assembly. It's lovely to hear all the great things you've done, and it's also lovely because Celebration Assembly reminds me it's Friday and we're nearly at the weekend. And what a nice week I've had because I've enjoyed coming up to the juniors for our remembrance. Even though I could only see you in the distance, it was lovely to see you. And I look forward to when lockdown is over and I can be up there more. But anyway, let's hear now all the great things you've done.
Hello everyone, I hope you've had a good week. This week I would like to give Alice Walker a certificate because Alice, you have been doing fantastic writing and you did a beautiful description of the castle belonging to the White Bear King. So well done to you, Alice. And the second person is Lucas. Lucas has been working really hard with his maths challenges and had a really good go at some of the trickier ones. So well done to you, Lucas, and keep it up.
Hi McCall class, well done for another brilliant week. You've all worked really hard, so well done. My first certificate is going to Lucy. Lucy, you have worked so hard in correcting your math this week with Miss Tully, and you told me about your amazing positive attitude, so well done. And my second certificate is going to Jiho. Jiho, you are constantly working so hard to do really tidy cursive handwriting, and your writing is absolutely amazing, especially in your English character description this week. Well done McCall class, have a wonderful weekend, bye.
Hello Squirrel class, been working really hard this week. Our wonderful work on the Nutcracker, some really fabulous maths, but this week I'm going to give my certificates both for PE. I'm giving one to Daniel, who concentrated so hard and followed everything Mr. Newman said, so well done Daniel. And also to Hannah. Hannah, you always work hard. You did everything really with a lot of care in PE, and I also want to say that your writing is really good these days, so keep up the good work. And everyone else in Squirrel class, we've had a very hard working week. You are doing a fabulous job. Have a lovely weekend. Bye.
Hi Antelope class. This week I'd like to give the certificate to Ria. Ria, the reason I'm giving you the certificate this week is that you have improved your attitude towards your learning so much, and it's really paying off, so keep up the good work. And the next certificate is going to go to Nikki. Nikki is a great role model in our class. He's always doing the right thing, he's always working hard, and I'm very much looking forward to marking your amazing story at the end of this week. So well done both of you, keep it up.
Hi Tiger class, thank you for another lovely week. We've been very busy as usual. This week's certificates are for Helena, who has been doing some really hard work and has been working very hard to improve her organisation, her tidiness and her getting everything looking beautiful in her books. So well done Helena, very impressed. The other certificate for this week is for Joey, who has ploughed through everything really fast, is really kind of challenging himself in everything, particularly in maths, and has been helping everybody else with their work as well. So thank you both very much. Have a great weekend. Bye-bye.
Hi Year 6, this week my certificates are for Zoe and Jessica because their hands were constantly up during our shared write of a biography about Winston Churchill, and they offered loads of fantastic ideas.
Hello TESOL class. This week the first certificate goes to Tilly for trying really hard with your writing a menu for Metal Mike, and secondly to Layla for your lovely detailed retelling of the story of Rama and Sita. Well done.
Hello everyone and hello Lion class. I've got two certificates today. The first one is for Holly. Holly, your handwriting is always beautiful. Thank you so much for trying so hard with your extended writing. I've looked over your shoulder already and seen your beautiful handwriting, so well done. And my second certificate is for Ishan. Ishan, you were so proud of how much you wrote in extended writing this week. Well done. You're trying really hard, and also with your reading, it's coming on fantastically, so well done. Have a lovely weekend everyone. Bye.
Good morning Hedgehog class. I've got two certificates that I would like to give today, and my first certificate is for Danny for your fantastic work in maths, learning how to find your number bonds to 10 and also learning how to recall them. Well done, I know you've worked really hard at that. My second certificate is for Ian. During art this week, Ian, you tried really hard to look carefully at your teddy when you were drawing it to create an accurate observational drawing of your teddy, and I know that you kept on looking back and worked really hard at that, so well done.
Hello Eagle class, we've got 2 stars of the week this week. The first one goes to Will, who has worked really hard and made a fantastic effort with his writing and behaving really well this week. And the second goes to Janae. Janae, well done, you're always a super friend, you're really kind to everyone around you and you work really hard. So well done Will and well done Janae.
Good morning everyone, and a special good morning to our class. Now this week the first certificate is going to Hannah for painting a beautiful picture of the Nutcracker. So well done Hannah. And the second certificate is going to Tessa for writing a great description about the changes in seasons, and you drew a beautiful tree to show what it looks like in autumn. So well done. Great work everyone. Bye for now.
Hello Year 6 and well done for another week. I am going to give my certificates to Matteo for he did a really clear explanation of how circuits work in science, and to Ye Ji because she designed a beautiful medal and described the people that she will be giving it to. Thank you.
Hello Seahorse class. This week the certificates go to Amelia and to Daniel. For the same reason, they both tried really hard with their writing this week. Well done to both of you.
Good morning Zell class. I'd like to give this week's certificates to 2 children. The first one goes to Daniel, whose written explanations in his maths work are very careful. Well done, Daniel. And the second one goes to Amelie, who has finally cracked her next step in her writing. Well done, Amelie.
Hi guys, I hope we're all well. Just a quick little announcement before I do the Sports Award to anyone who's in the Sports Council. Now Mrs. Kinnear plans to meet with you on Monday, so over the weekend she wants you to have a think about all the ways or loads of different ways we can make the school healthier and more active. So there's some things to think about over the weekend. Now the 2 winners for the Sports Award are both from the infants. One is Ollie in Squirrel class and the other is Emily in Fox class, both showing really good skills in our ball skills lessons and our outdoor PE, so well done both of you.
Now look at this amazing attendance for last week. Fox and Eagle were both the same at 98, McCaw 99, and 4 classes were all at 100%. Seahorse, Turtle, Squirrel and Antelope, congratulations. So how's it all add up? Let's look at our next page. And our next page shows so far Seahorse is in 3rd place, Tiger is in 2nd, and then Turtle, gosh, Turtle are in the lead. I'm very impressed by reception. It might be one of your classes that gets the tea party. Well done. So who are we going to say happy birthday to this week? Jonah and Cameron are 5, Alex and Kira are 6, Aaron and Oliver are 7, Holly is 8 and Hannah is 9. Happy birthday everyone.
Happy birthday everyone.
Well, that brings us to the end, so we'd like to finish with a prayer. But first I'd like to say thank you to Vinny and Lily, who are going to lead us in the prayer. And actually I've got quite a few other thank yous. I'd like to thank you all for being so positive about making Christmas cards, and for Year 6 who are being really creative and coming up with the idea also of making hearts to say that we're thinking of them for people who are feeling lonely and stuck at home on their own. And then I'd like you to pass on thank you to your parents, because your parents have been so kind and so generous, and they've given lots of money to the school, and we've been able to order stopwatches, we've been able to order a special set of maps on the computers, a wonderful computing program that Mrs. Wogan has found, and even an outdoor table tennis table for the juniors. And I know things are still coming in, and I also know there have been lots of parcels for reception and for nursery. So do say a big thank you to your grown-ups. And then I'd like to say, have a really lovely weekend. Bye for now.
May I be a blessing to someone today, and may someone be a blessing to me.